Welcome to Death Valley National Park, folks. We're here. Death Valley is responsible for a couple of things. One being the hottest recorded temperature on Earth, 134 degrees. Get about 2 inches of rainfall here, less than that, a year. Driest place in America, certainly. And the hottest temperature in the world. How cool. Lowest point in the USA as well. Those are portable bathrooms and stuff over there on the right. There's no phone service out here, at least in this part. Dangerous terrain, folks. Multiple deaths a year in this part of the world. And they stacked up a bunch of rocks so you can't get off road. My advice would be to have some Ophies, some water, and a full tank of gas. Ophies being the battery packs. About 9 minutes from Death Valley. I'm curious when the phone services will pick back up. Beautiful out here. This is salt, sand and salt. You can't hear it, but the ears are popping as we descend lower in elevation. Mule Team Canyon. Interesting. Since we dropped from 3,000 to 1,000 and even less now, temperature's gone up 5 degrees. And just like that, there goes the phone service. Interesting. Must be we're 3 miles away, so maybe a 3.5 mile radius outside of town. I don't know. A little relieved. A lot of relieved. Another 2 degrees. Gas is $6.42. You're about $3 to the gallon, or $3 over what it is to the gallon in town. Looks like you got some folks out hiking, biking, some lodging there. It's so green here. How cool. I think this is where the golf course is here at the town hall. Right here, the ranch at Death Valley.